So to pair our unit, first thing we're going to do is power up. One button, we'll get a nice MB Quart hello screen, and then our radio shift UX becomes active. It's going to default to whichever is the last input you used. So that's our FM screen. We'll use the source to go back. You'll see the radio shift UX menu pops up real big. That allows you to see it from the driver's seat without having to look at real small icons. Of course, we're going to do pairing, so we want to go to Bluetooth. When we first select the Bluetooth input, it's going to show Bluetooth disconnected. So go to your device, go into your Bluetooth menu and turn on your Bluetooth. Select MB Quart. You'll get the little spinning wheel for a second. Bluetooth loading. And you're connected. You're going to get album art imported right into your device. Now you're ready to crank the music.